In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and connect the Smartsheet Live Data Connector. If you want to link Smartsheet with a tool like Excel or Tableau, this process is usually straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to the Smartsheet Live Data Connector download or setup page. This is the official place where you'll find the installer and any setup information you may need. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page for the connector, since Smartsheet offers different tools and integrations. Using the official download page helps ensure you're getting the latest version that matches your system requirements. Once you're there, download the connector for your computer. Make sure you choose the version that fits your operating system and environment. This is important because installing the wrong version can lead to connection issues later. After the download starts, wait for the file to finish completely before moving on. Next, open the installer file. Depending on your computer settings, you may need to confirm that you want to run the installer. If your device asks for permission, go ahead and allow it so the setup can continue. This step launches the installation process and gets the connector ready to work with your reporting or analysis tools. After that, follow the installation prompts. In most cases, this means accepting the license terms, confirming the install location if needed, and clicking through the setup screens until the installation finishes. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what's being installed. If your computer asks you to restart after installation, it's a good idea to do that before trying to connect anything. Once the connector is installed, open the tool you want to connect, such as Excel or Tableau. The exact layout may look a little different depending on the application, but the goal is the same. You want to add a new data connection from within that tool. Usually this is found in a menu related to importing data, external data, or connecting to a database. From there, choose Smartsheet as the ODBC or data source. This tells your application which connector it should use. If you don't see it right away, double check that the installation completed successfully and that the application has been restarted since the install. Finally, sign in and test the connection. Enter your account details in the sign-in window, then confirm that the tool can successfully reach your Smartsheet data. If the test works, you're all set. At that point, you can begin pulling your data into Excel, Tableau, or whichever supported tool you're using.